under construction right now, and it's annoying. Not only did I have to switch rooms last night, yes, Mondrian, Mondrian, whatever you're called. This is ridiculous. We have made it to Miami. I still have on my PJs, but we're about to check in, and it looks like they're fixing the hotel right now. Like, they've got some construction going on, but I'm excited. Nadine is here, so I get to see my friend. We get to hang out and have a few cocktails, and then tomorrow we have to get to work.
She likes it big.
Yeah, I like them big. It was all the way up to here before. Tell them to stop taking more ice.
So, this is the room at the Mondrian. Is that how you say it? The Mondrian? So I look a mess, but I spent like 4 hours down by the pool watching the sunset, which was beautiful, but the hotel was not ready. It looks like they have some construction going on. Don't want to say that's what it was, or maybe they overbooked. I don't know. I know Art Basel's going on this weekend. Either way, I didn't get a complimentary cocktail, but you know, that's okay. I was just ready to sit down somewhere and get off that bus. Right now, I'm about to get dressed so I can go meet Nadine. I still have on my swimsuit. Yes. I put on, can you see? Oh, hold on. I put on my little two-piece and my cover-up. But yeah, I'm about to change and get dressed and go hit Miami. Hello, I got my life together and now my voice seems to be gone. But Nadine should be pulling up downstairs. I am dressed, I am ready. Switched out that old nasty wig, so now I got the long one on. I'm keeping it casual. Just have on my tank that says tequila, salt, and lime. Sock booties. Yes, the tag says Olive and Oak. That's where they're from. They're cute. They got the little ridges and like motorbike situation happening. I'm excited. About to paint the town red, black, blue. I don't even know what color you're supposed to say, but I'm about to paint it and come back and get me some rest so I can wake up and get some sun in the morning. So we just finished eating.
Yum, yum.
Hey, met Nadine.
Yeah, she was so sweet.
And now we're heading to Art Basel, Basil, Tazel.
Basil?
I say Basil, but she said Basil. Oh, no, I say Basil. She said Basil. She has a friend that has an art show.
Yes, so maybe you guys, if you stay tuned, you can see some of his artwork.
I love this tree. And it smells good in here. JW Marriott, somewhere in Miami, downtown. So I keep losing my toothbrush. And now I lost my toothbrush and now I can't find my toothpaste. I don't need any makeup. You see, I have all of this stuff at home. Why am I over here? I don't need any makeup. What are you looking for? What are you looking for, Tay? Oh, following Tay. Where did she go? I thought, you know, went back this way.
It's hard to keep up with me when I get around makeup.
Right, I was like, I don't need to be in this row right here. Let me just find her. Ooh, they have wine. See, they should have never showed me this. Hi, wine. We have wine.
I think that, what kind of chips do you eat with this?
You just eat the Ruffles.
Well, I like to have,
What the
that noise?
hell is beeping?
I want some snacks for my room and for the bus. I like to pig out, which hopefully I don't gain too much weight, but you know, a girl is working, so a girl deserves to eat, okay? Doritos.
Doritos are good with it. That's
Yes.
that's fat girl business.
I'm happy fat.
Ruffles with ridges. Oh, then you gonna do the blue. You gonna get the ranch with the red. Okay.
Yes, the ranch with the, ooh, it's about to be lit. Okay, I'm done. Being fat.
So she's getting sour cream. What is that? Cheddar with the French onion. I'm over it. That buzzing is getting on my nerves. I don't even know where it's coming from. We're acting like we're in college right now, going grocery shopping at the Handy Mart. Look at the Carlos Rossi. Remember that from college? That gives you a headache. You don't drink that stuff.
I was drinking Mad Dog when I was in
I didn't even know they would sell that in the store.
Mad Dog?
Mad Dog 2020. I think everybody drank. I think everybody drank that. But Carlos Rossi is what people thought they would drink when they thought they wanted to learn how to drink wine.
That's hilarious.
Oh my goodness, do you not hear this shit? It is so loud. They are under construction right now and it's annoying. Not only did I have to switch rooms last night, yes, Mandarin, Mondrian, whatever you're called. This is ridiculous. I just can't. Like, it will drill for like 10 minutes straight. Too much. Time to go to the pool. Okay, so I have made it outside. I've made it outside. It's not as loud out here. And it is beautiful. The view out here is amazing. I don't think I have a water sign, but I love the water. It's so calming and relaxing. I'm waiting on Tay to come down. I see Todd over there. Looks like he's in a meeting. Candy's at rehearsal. I think Don Juan's at rehearsal with her. Who else is in this hotel? Oh, and she's arrived.
Hello.
Hello, madame.
So, all over the world, I paint my body this way. Look, I will show you. This was when I was in Cape Town, for instance. I paint my body in black with breaking lines of gold. I walk the streets like that. And I explain my body represents humanity and all the breaking parts represent the people because we all are different and we build humanity together. It's composed with all these different people. So T.I. has done it in LA. I showed him actually that he also had one of his friends, Pharrell Williams. And many people all over the world. So I say when I paint my body in black with breaking lines of gold that my body like this in LA, my body represents humanity and it's like a puzzle. And, but we all are VIP, like very important pieces. It's just I like sometimes to have famous people because they attract more light in the project. So this card actually that they hold is my eye, because as artists we share a vision. So this is my eye when I was painted in Courchevel this way. But you see I have like I have like wealthy people, I have homeless. You know, it's just celebrating diversity in unity. See, different cultures like the Jews. It's funny. He was blind from one eye. It's cool.
Wow.
It's a very symbolic work.
Cool.
Symbolic work. So this is the card, and this is my Instagram behind, like underscore Thomas Heiser underscore.
Thomas Heiser.
And you see, every piece is unique, but we all share the same sparkle, celebrating unity and diversity. And I will have my hashtag Universal Humanity. It's a cool project.
So I'm up. This is like day 3 in Miami. Seems like we've been here forever, but it's time to go eat lunch, breakfast, something at a diner over on South Beach. Need to get this lipstick together, but yeah, headed on out. Come on. Oh, that's pretty.
Tay Tay with the good hair coming out.
She washed it today.
Shut up.
No, she said she was washing her hair. Ooh, and what's this called?
Rosa Rose.
Oh.
You sound so.
So, lunchtime was for 1 o'clock, and it's almost 3, and we still haven't been anywhere yet.
Now you're telling a damn lie. It's 1:30.
Now you want to
Tay with the good hair.
Like we can hear you, Tay.
We can't hear. Now you saying Tay Tay with the good hair. That's Jamie. Jamie tell you whatever she wants to tell you.
Well, for White Candy lied and told everybody 1 o'clock.
Hey, what y'all doing? What y'all drinking?
You like your pictures from last night?
You so disrespectful.
Them sleep pictures are so fucking hilarious.
At least I was sitting up and I wasn't slouched over. I was just like, okay. Well.
Them sleep pictures were great.
So my food has arrived and I'm starving. Deviled egg. Back on a good old bus. Tay is sleeping. Good night. It's time to go.
We are all so tired.
How was Miami?
Miami was great because we actually had a day to just chill out and not think about work related to the tour. We had a good lunch. We had a pretty decent dinner. I don't know, what did y'all feel?
It was drawn out. It was drawn out like we if I could have been in and out, it would have been like, okay.
Yeah.
I feel the same way.
I usually go and sit at the bar by myself, but it's just kind of like the lady did not come back. It's time to say goodbye.
We out of here. We are leaving Miami. We'll be in Miami for 3 consecutive days. I just want to thank the stockholders and the management, upper management, all the production. But we got to go, man. We are running over budget. I don't know what's been allocated and who it's been allocated to, but
So it's time to leave Miami, and it's dark. Oh, I look yellow right now. Can you see me? Yes, I'm gonna miss it. It's so hot and muggy out here. I could just lay on the beach. And I didn't get to do that, but I would really like to come back and do that. So I think I'm going to do that in January.